Hey everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here giving you guys another Pick 3 lottery video, and today we're going to work on tic-tac-toe of Florida, my home state. Y'all, I'm tired of running. I am tired of running from tic-tac-toe. I've been up for hours trying to figure out how do I look at Florida to lock in more hits for us, right? Well, guess what? I was reading in the comments. I had Mr. Harris from Texas, shout out to you, Mr. Harris, thank you very much, said that he looks at the doubles in the tic-tac-toe to start locking in hits. So that gave me an idea, and one idea led to another idea, and here we are. So I want to show you what I'm learning. I want to share with you guys. If you happen to be outside of Florida, that's okay. Stay tuned, okay? Because a lot of these tips and strategies may help you guys in other areas as well. I'm just warning you right now, so just pay attention. Okay, we're going to start with our first example. December 6th, midday, Florida had a hit of 340. I put everything into a tic-tac-toe grid. So I'll put that 340 slanted diagonally. You see that? So I start from the top corner and I end all the way at the right corner. 340. The next thing you want to do is you want to add 1 all the way around. So we'll do that. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Real simple, right? Don't stop there. I want you to mirror this. This 340, you're going to mirror that, okay? All my newbies out there, make sure you check the chart out. 0 could be a 5. 5 could be a 0. 1 could be a 6. 6 can be a 1. 2 can be a 7. 7 could be a 2. Y'all seeing that? 3 can be an 8. 8 can be a 3. 4 can be a 9. 9 can be a 4. They're just the opposite of themselves. So we're going to turn this 340. 3 would be what? An 8. 4 would be what? A 9. And that 0 would be what? A 5. So now I'm going to put the mirror of 340 as 895. And then we're going to add 1 all the way around. So let's do that. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. When you get to your 2-digit numbers, only use the ones place your 0, okay, for lottery math. 0 plus 1 is 1. Complete all of that, but don't stop there. I know. You'll see why momentarily. Just work with me. So then we're going to take that 340. Now we're going to subtract 1. Okay, because this is going to change the numbers a little bit. Okay, so minus 1. So we're going to put that 340 in. Now we're going to subtract. So this 0 would be a 10, right? So we're going to go 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Complete that. Done. Almost. Almost. Now let's mirror that, right? We're going to mirror it, but we're going to subtract 1. Remember, over here we added 1. So we're going to put that 895 in. Okay. I know some of y'all put it in a different way. I'm sticking to what I know right now. Okay. So we're going to subtract 1 all the way around. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, okay? 0, act like this is a 10 now. 10 minus 1 is 9. All right? Have everything completed. I want you guys to pay close attention to your doubles, okay? Again, if I haven't stated already, Mr. Harris from Texas was pointing this out to me, and I started working with it, and I'm like, wow, opened up my eyes to a lot of things. So thank y'all for sharing stuff with me. You know, that's how I learn. That's how I learn. So I want you to pay attention to these grids right here, especially the doubles that are right next to each other. Pay close attention to those. We have a 3-3. On this row, we have a 4-4. We'll get to that in a moment. The mirrors, we have an 8-8. Pay attention to that. And we also have a 9-9. We'll get to that in a moment. Okay, let's start with this 3-3. Okay, I want you to pay close attention. Okay, whenever you see this 3-3, okay, I want you to look at this And I want you to use that as an actual combination. Yeah, just like that. I just want you to do it. But you notice when you subtract 1, look at this. 3, 3 becomes a 3, 8. You see how they split apart? That 8, 8 became an 8, 3. You see how they split apart? That's why I like that. So when you see doubles, whatever's in the straight line, if you see the doubles going this way, you're going to put your combinations together this way. So what would that be? I would go 3, 3, 2. Or you might want to read it 2, 3, 3. That's up to you. Okay. 8, 8, 7. Write that down. You might also want to read it as 7, 8, 8. Up to you. 3, 7, 8. Or you might want to read it as 8, 7, 3. We'll put it in as 3, 7, 8. 8, 2, 3. You might want to read it as 3, 2, 8. Totally up to you. Guess what hit that evening on December 6th? 3, 7, 8. Yeah. Right here. 3, 7, 8 here. We have it as 3, 7, 8 here. Bam. I kid you not. I said, what? And I said, this, it's probably working. No, I went and backtrack. When you see these doubles, now here's the tip. Are you listening? You notice how these 3s, they also happen to be the date sum for that date. Pay attention to these date sums. Okay. If you don't know what a date sum is, we're going to go over that right now because I don't want anybody to be lost. Okay. So the 3, 7, 8 hit on December 6th, right? All right. And that happened to be a midday game. Notice that. Okay. So 2 plus 6 equals what, guys? 18. For lottery math, we only are going to use the ones place. So we would only use the 8. Okay. So 8 or 3, remember that mirror, would be the date sum. Look at this. What are these? Is this not the date sum? 8 or 3. The same day. That was 2 things letting me know. Pay attention. Not only were they doubles, but they were doubles for the same date sum. Yes. Honey, y'all bet to run with this stuff. Okay? That's it. So they played that same night. With this technique that I'm trying to share with you guys, you're either going to look for doubles that play that same date if you still have room, or it's going to be for the next date. Okay? Other states, it could be different. Pay attention to those. Okay? I want to show you using the same grid. Remember I told you to pay attention to those 4s? Pay attention to them. I'm about to show you something else. Y'all think I'm playing? Y'all think I'm playing before I do? Guess what? If you feel I've given you some really good value so far, go ahead. I need you to go ahead and like that button. Smash that like button right now. Thank you. So sweet. And also I need you to subscribe to the channel. Why? Because I don't want you to miss these hot and cool strategies, guys. I just don't. Okay? Y'all ready for the next one? I know y'all think I'm playing. When you backtrack for Florida, you were like, what? Okay. I didn't even know. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. Let me stop. It's nothing's time till it's time. All right, so let me erase this for right now because I know I got a lot of stuff on this board. Okay. Erase some of this. Y'all ready for the next one? Okay. Let's do this. Now, looking at this, you're going to make sure you keep a log of everything per day. And I'm telling you, look for things that happened that day or looking for the next date sum for the next date. If you notice the date sum was 8, right? 8 or 3. That's what we use. You notice the next date sum is 4 or 9, right? So what's 12 plus 7? Because that would be the next date. Okay. It'd be 19 if we add it together. We're only using that ones place. So 9 or 4 would be the date sum. Watch this. So again, we see that. Bam. We see that. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to write the numbers right across. So we're going to go 4, 4, 1. Bam. Or you might want to do 1, 4, 4. Up to you. Up to you. 9, 9, 6. Or 6, 9, 9. Up to you. We're going to go here. Look at how they're mirrored. They're doubles here, but they're mirrors here. 4, 9. Okay. You see how those 3 8s, they split? But they were still split, right? These happen to stay together. That's okay. That's cool. We're still going to go 6, 4, 9. Or you could read it as 9, 4, 6. Excuse me. Then we have 1, 9, 4. Y'all seeing this? 1, 9, 4. Or you can read it 4, 9, 1. Okay? Up to you. Up to you. Guess what hit? I know you see it. On December 7th, which happens to be the date sum of 9. 1, 9, 4 hit. Bam. And it hit straight. These hit straight. That's why I said pay attention to how they're ordering it. That's why I said if you decide 3, 7, 8, they could have easily said 8, 7, 3. Easily. This 1, 9, 4 came out straight as well. No kidding. No kidding. Go back. Go back and look at some of these. When you see doubles or double mirrors that are for the same day and you still have a game that you can play, or for the next date, pay attention. Okay? Again, if you see the doubles or double mirrors for the day of or for the day after, pay attention to them. That can lead you to some really easy, simple hits. I'm so upset with myself. I know I got to get it together, y'all. But you know what? Like I said, nothing's time till it's time. So what I want y'all to do is play on paper for the next few days and see if you're seeing the patterns continue. Okay. If you're in other states, do the same thing. Play on paper. All right. Do your due diligence. Okay. I'm going to probably try to roll out more of the tic-tac-toe with the other states as well. I like 317. I like 123. Here's the deal. They are so switchy swatchy, and I get really upset sometimes. I'm like, hold on, I know this was supposed to hit, but here's the thing, it's a game. They can do what they want to do, and they look at these videos. They know what we're pushing out to you guys, and I kind of almost think it's kind of like, wow, as soon as I put something out, they start changing stuff, and then people are like, it's all in your mind. It could be, I could be. It is what it is. But look, I think this is really cool. You got 2 straight hits. And don't toss away them because, like I said, keep a daily log. Look for something the day of if you happen to see it, or look for something that's going to happen the next day. All right. That is the trick. I hope you guys run with this. Let me know what's going on in the comments. Definitely appreciate your feedback. And I will see y'all on the next video.